Hi everyone, Trish here. Thank you so much for stopping in. Today I would like to do an unboxing. I made an order with Milani Cosmetics, and to be honest, I don't remember everything I got because I've been waiting to do this video. So if you are interested in seeing what I got, it's going to be like a mystery box to me and you. Just keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to open this up and pack it quite nicely. Oh wow. Okay, first off I have this, which I remember now I got a free gift. I got a little mini Make It Last, and this is the one that's in matte 16-hour wear. It's a setting spray. I got a little mini Luminoso. That is so cute, right here. Look at how they packed everything. I am one that I typically order from Ulta or Sephora, although I'm really ticked off at Ulta right now, so I'll probably be ordering more from companies. This is the new Milani Stay Put eyeliner. Looks like it has a sharpener and a smudgy tip. And I did get mine in black. And that is nice and black. Ooh, that's already kind of hard to get off. My next brand base might be Milani. Ooh, and we will use these. This is their new Conceal and Perfect stick foundations. I got 245 Warm Beige. Ooh, I might have to let myself tan fade a little bit. That is Warm Beige. I like that it has the name and the number here on the front and on the bottom. And then I have 210 Creamy Nude. Just going by touch. These remind me of the Makeup Forever HD makeup sticks. That is really pretty coverage though. Okay. And then we have this. I ordered this, the Rose Blush. This is Blossom Time. I did not think I had this one, but I do. You can tell that I've enjoyed it. It's right here, just that little swatch right there. Two of these blushes, the baked blushes, I knew I didn't have there. They are their newest ones, but this one is Bellissimo Bronze, and I'm sure I don't have this. I just looked. And this is one of their new ones, Petal Primavera. Right here. That is gorgeous. Sunset Passion. Right here. This Petal Primavera. I've got to have some on. That will be really pretty. Just give you that like you were out in the sun. Flushed. I love it. What's this? I don't remember what this is. Ooh, it's their Intense Bronze and Glow. Isn't that pretty? Their packaging is really pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay, I want you to have the reaction I did. Okay, are you ready? This is swatched. That just looks like straight up gold. Okay, I'm probably going to really regret doing this, but we're all friends here. That just showed up so... It is a bronzer, right? Sun-Kissed Bronze. Okay. Sometimes you just cannot tell by a swatch alone, you know what I mean? You need to get in there with the brush Make it your own. Okay, I was really afraid after I finger swatched it because that just looks straight up gold, but that's pretty. Okay, the only thing in here is the check off where they checked my shipment, and once again they had a layer of bubbles there. I got their 2 new eyeshadow palettes. Gilded Rouge, okay. That is really pretty. It is cardboard, but it is, I don't know if you can, it's like, it's dimensional. Okay, because I was not thrilled with the last couple palettes I tried from BeautyByTrish. Okay, here's some swatches. And here is this palette. Hyper pigmented eyeshadows. This is Gilded Noir. Okay, there's some swatches from this one. Here are your colors. These seem very promising. I'm pretty excited about that. You know, I have to play. I want to play with this Gasp, that blue color. That's how richly it goes onto the brush. I'll try to do more neutral, and then I will try to do one with color. We'll see how that goes. That's it for my Milani haul. I'm really excited to try some of these things. Thank you all so much. Have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next video.